Hey, WheelSnipeSelly here. It is Wednesday, March 29th, 2023. We're on the daily ES June contract. We did have a news event today at 10 a.m. pending home sales numbers came out. So going in today, I was bearish. I was expecting a lower price. I was expecting either come up and take out this previous day high or maybe here and then reject lower. So that's what I kind of saw going in, or at least that's what my thought was going into the day. Let's go to the 4 hour. You can see here, it just basically ran up. We have, it kind of came down here. Let me remove this. Yeah, I mean, it basically just ran up all day today. Let's go down to the 1 hour. So we have our midnight price right here. Kind of came up. It was really choppy from about 9 to kind of 2. It kind of went up and around, and then it kind of just took off at the end of the day. Let's go to the 15 minute. So we have our new opening gap here, which it didn't come down and touch that at all today. So here's our midnight opening price. Just kind of ran up around 545. We had a little bit of a retracement to the 830, and then we kind of chopped around higher. Let's go into the 5 minute. For some reason, Tradeovate isn't showing my trades today, but I can show you. So I had 2 losses today. Let's see. Let's go to the 1 minute. So my first attempt here was to, I was looking to go and take out this sell side here. So I went short right at this order block right here. I went short here, and then my stop was 5 handles. It was right above right here. So I saw this move come down here, and I was looking for this to keep pushing lower. And then my second trade I took was I think it was right in here where I was looking to take out the lunch lows. So both times I was trying to go short, and I got burned today. So we're still up 600 for the challenge, but we will go into the trade reviews. All right, so here we are, right around 11. So we went down. We didn't fully take out the sell side here. So I have an order block noted with the volume imbalance, and basically just have my entry here. So I have those 4 up candles, that order block. So we get that initial reaction lower. So I think moving forward, if I get a big push down and it basically like railroads and it comes right back up, I'm just going to close the trade. I've seen this happen to me twice within the past, since I started this challenge. So that's just, to me, that's showing that they just ran it down to get, to add on orders real quick. So just kind of, noting here, I went out to the higher time frame, and basically it has to go through that all the way up to 43 was a big green candle. So it would have to go through that to take me out. So I'm just noting like a small breaker right here. But this ends up, and I was watching the dollar. It was going towards the highs, and really there was no symmetry between the ES and the dollar today. So that lended no help. So you see, I went to the dollar real quick. So this will stop me out here. So this is a full 5 handle. And then, like I said, I was trying to go short. Like I said, I was planning to be short for the day, because I was looking for this to go down with the dollar going up. So I'm just kind of noting some things here, and you're going to see we're going to have like a mini micro market structure shift. So I think moving forward, I'm going to try to lean more towards on the 5 minute, because I mean, that was a pretty big break, but this just came down into an order block on the 5 minute. So I'm going to try to use a little bit of a higher time frame on this. And I did use half the risk on this, well, almost half. So now the plan is to go down to micros, and I'll talk a little bit more about that in the account review. So we'll head over and do that. All right, guys. So here we are, dashboard. We're at 600 out of the 3,000. So we had a minus 384 yesterday, and then a minus 409 today. So you can see here's the two losses. So the plan is right now, I'm not going to freak out. Like, it's obviously isn't what I wanted, but we're going to drop down to micros. So I have a rule here. So I've lost, I think, three or four in a row. So I lost 2 in a row. Sorry, I lost 3 in a row, and then I dropped the leverage down to basically half, 3 handles. And then so now we're going down to micros. So the plan is to, we have to make back half of, so what is that? About 700. So we need to make 350 back with micros. We will only be risking $100 per trade until we make back at least half. So at least 350 back. So that's the plan right now with micros. Again, if you guys want to give TopStep a shot, there's a link. You can do a 14-day free trial and try it out with TradingView, see if you like it. So let's go over to the trade log. So here's our 2 entries for today. One at 11:14, we went short, minus 254.58. It was a 40-minute trade, 5 handle stop loss. And the second trade was at 12:10. Was trying to go for the lunch stops. That didn't happen. A B and C trade, 7 minutes, 3 handle stop. And then, like I said, there was something going on with TradingView, and you couldn't see the entries, but here they are. So I went short here on this order block with a volume imbalance. We had a existing fair value gap from here. We have this order block, these 5 up candles, and was looking to target down here. So that was the initial trade here, and then I had my stop right above this swing high, which that's where my trade was invalidated. So you can see, like, when I entered in this trade, it had looked bearish at that point, but the overall daily candle was bright green. So like I said, I'm going to try to go more of a 5-minute minimum on this, on these next trades coming up with the micros. So here is the second trade where we came up, we took buy side here, and so I was looking for this to go down, and I was just doing a 3 handle. So even if it was just another, just taking out these relative equal lows, just looking for a quick scalp. Got burned on this one too. So we took out buy side, came down. I'm on a 30-second, or no, this is the actual 1 minute, but we had a fair value gap with a breaker here, market structure shift, and then I had, like I said, I was reducing the risk on this one. So yep, I was on the wrong side of the trades today, but we'll see if I trade tomorrow. I may kind of take the day off. I mean, I'll be looking at the 5 minute only, and then I'll just kind of drill down from there. Try to stay focused on that 5 and 15. We have GDP and jobless claims tomorrow, so be aware of that. And then on Friday we have personal income and outlays, Chicago PMI, and consumer sentiment. So we'll kind of see how that goes, and then let's see what we have for tomorrow. GDP, yeah, unemployment. There's no other red folders except the euro. But anyways, yeah, thanks for watching, and yeah, we will try to bounce back.